Exercise 12.2, question number 3. According to this question, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure like this, and we have to find out the total area of the paper used. So this aeroplane figure is divided into 5 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. So in part 1, we can see that this is an isosceles triangle, two equal sides 5 centimeter, and since this is 1 centimeter, so obviously it will be also of 1 centimeter. So by using Heron's formula, we can able to find out this area of the isosceles triangle, that is area of part 1, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So S, that means the semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter 5 plus 5 plus 1 by 2, and that equals to 11 by 2. So 11 by 2, S minus A, so 11 by 2 minus 1, and 11 by 2 minus 5, again minus 5 will be there of same side. So we can take the square of that and overall this root over. So here we can see that root over 11 by 2, and after solving that we are getting 11 minus 2 by 2 and 11 minus 10 by 2 whole square, and this is 11 by 2, then 9 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole square. So since square root is there, so and here 1 by 2 whole square, so 1 by 2 will come out, and 9, from 9 root over 9 we can take 3, and this is twice 2, so 1 2 will come out, and here under the root 11 is there. So now we will find out, this is 3 and 2 into 2 4 and root 11. So we will find out the root 11 by long division method. So 11, so 3 square is 9, subtract that 2 point, so 00 we can put here. Now 3 plus 3 unit digit we will add, so that is 6. Now we have to select a number with whom we can multiply the single digit with the 2 digit number. So here also we can put, and here also. So we will, if we put 4, then it will be more than 200, so we will take 3. So 3 into 63, that is 189. Now subtract that. So by subtracting we are getting 11. Now unit digit again will add, and that is 66. Now again we need more zeros, so we will put here 00, this 00. Now we have to select a number. So if we take 2, then it will be more than 1100, so we will take 1. So 1 into 661, that is 661. Just subtract that. So we will, after subtracting, we will get 439, and then again one digit will, unit digit will add, and we will get 662. Now we need more zeros, so we will take more zeros and just put there. And here we have to select a number. So which number? If we take 7, then 6 7s are, so it will be more than 43,900, so we will take 6. So when you multiply the 6 with 6,626, we will get 6 6, so 65739, 39,756. Now subtracting that, we will get 4414. Okay, so root 11 will be 3.316, and that can be written as 3.32. Round off that, so we will put that 34 into 3.32. So 34 can be written as 0.75 into 3.32. So after multiplying, we are getting 2.49 centimeter square. Now we will find out the second part, and that is area of second part is of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length into breadth, and that is length it is given 6.5 and breadth is 1. So that is 6.5 centimeter square. Now the third part. So this is of trapezium shape. If you will get the trapezium shape, you can do one thing, that you can draw a parallel line to any of the non-parallel sides, so that you will get a triangle and a parallelogram. Since you have drawn a parallel line, so these two sides will be equal, and here also equal. So it will be a parallelogram, and this one will be a triangle. So the trapezium can be divided into two parts, that is, one part is parallelogram and one part is triangle. So here we can see that this is a equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle height we have to find out, so that we can apply the area of trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel sides. So it is given that the parallel sides are of length 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So sum of parallel sides into height, this is the formula. So we need to find out the height. So since the height of this equilateral triangle and height of this trapezium will be equal, and as we know that here the sum of parallel side, that is 1 plus 2, and height of the equilateral triangle is √3/2 into side, and side is here, so that is 3/2 into √3/2 into side is 1. So after solving, we are getting √3/4 into √3. So 3/4, that can be written as 0.75 into √3. √3 value is, you should remember that √2 value, √3 value. √2 value is 1.414 and √3 value is 1.732. Okay, so this value we will put here. After multiplying this, we will get 1.299 centimeters square. Okay, and that can be written as 1.30 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the fourth part and fifth part according to this diagram. So fourth part, since we can see here it is making 90 degree, here also, and they both have the same dimension. This is 6 centimeter and this part is 1.5 centimeter. So instead of taking separately, we can take together, that is twice of any of that. So this is a right angle triangle. So area of right angle triangle equals to half into base into height. So we will use that formula. So area of fourth part plus fifth part, and that is twice of area of right angle triangle, that is half into base into height. So this two will cancel out. Base is 6 and height is 1.5. After multiplying that, you are getting this 10. So 3/2, 3, that is 9 centimeter square. Okay, so the required area of the colored paper will be the sum of all these, that is area of part 1 plus area of part 2, area of part 3 plus area of part 4 plus area of part 5. So area of part 1, that is 2.49 centimeter square, plus part 2, that is 6.5 centimeter square, part 3, that is 1.30 centimeter square, plus fourth part and fifth part together, it is 9 centimeter square. So by adding all, we are getting here 9, that is 19.29 centimeter square, or 19.3 centimeter square approx. This is the answer.